Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to discuss one of the important topics of English grammar, that is formal letters. First of all, I would like to tell you the letters are of two types, formal and informal. Informal letters already we have discussed. I have sent you one video over it, and the topics to be written also I have sent you. Today we will discuss about the formal letters. They are very much important in English grammar. They help you a lot to understand the basic functions of the English grammar also. So formal letters में सबसे पहले the thing that you must know how to write a formal letter. आपको कैसे letter लिखना है, you must know this thing. To write a formal letter, follow the below given tips. There are few tips given below that you need to understand properly. That will help you a lot to write the letters in a way that will make you different English writer. So first of all, what you have to start with, address or greet the concerned person properly, like dear sir or the madam. When you start the letters, you have to address that particular person to whom you are writing. Like you have to start from like dear sir, dear madam, or sometimes you can write respected to. Second, the thing that you have to remember, always mention the subject of writing the letter. Whatever the writing you are writing, whatever the letter you are writing, and to whomsoever you are writing the letter, you don't have to forget to write the subject. Subject is a specific thing. It shows that what about the letter has been written, so don't forget to write the subject. Be concise in your letter. It means you don't have to write anything extra. You don't have to write much in your letter. You need to be concise over it. Write the reasons for writing the letter in the first paragraph itself. In the first paragraph, you need to mention why you are writing the letter. The reason has to be mentioned over here. There. Do not stress the letter too much, or you don't need to stress the letter too much, especially this formal letter, because you have to write word to word and point to point. The tone of the letter should be very polite and not harsh. तो लेटर आप लिखेंगे उसकी टोन जो होनी चाहिए दैट शुड बी वेरी पोलाइट. तो बहुत ही पोलाइट टोन में लिखना है आपको, हार्श नहीं, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड नहीं लिखना है. राइट इन अ प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट एंड टेक केयर ऑफ द presentation of a letter. You have to follow a format I'll just send you in the next slide. I'll show you in the next slide. Particular format you have to follow, and you have to take care of the presentation of the letter too. Mention the address and the date correctly. Wherever the date and the address has to be mentioned, that you need to mention carefully. Mention the name and designation of the recipient correctly. To whom you are writing a letter, you should write his name, recipient name, and the designation carefully, so that there should not be any hassle to understand the letter. The next point, and which is the last one, you have to remember, that is the closing of the letter should be with gratitude. When you close the letter, when you end up your letter, you must write some word like thank your faithfully, and like you should show a little gratitude. Use thank you as it is given here. You can write the word thank you also for consideration of the letter, and then in the last you can mention your sincerely or truly along with your names and the signatures. So these are the points that you have to remember about the letter writing. And now I'm going to show you a formal letters topics. Actually, formal letters are written for many persons and for many reasons. Here there could be many reasons to write a formal letters. There are sick leave applications we write, they also come in the category of formal letter. Leave applications for marriage also comes in this category. Leave applications for maternity comes in this category. Resignation letters also come. Appointment letters, job offer letters, complaint letters, and business letters. They all come in the category of formal letter writings. Now here I'm going to show you the format. Format is very crucial. You need to know the format very carefully. First of all, you have to write the sender's address. Sender's address means the one who is writing the letter has his or her address has to be written. Then leaving a little gap, it means you are having a ruling copy, so one line gap and then date, and then one line again gap. Then receiver's address has to be mentioned, and then subject leaving a line, and then salutation word means you can start with, as I told you, means dear sir or dear madam. Then body of the letter, it begins first paragraph, second paragraph, and third paragraph. There are the three paragraphs that you have to write in the letter. So remember one thing in first paragraph what you have to write: introduce yourself and mention the reasons. आपको अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करना होता है, and you have to mention the reason that why you are writing the letter. This all descriptions you have to write in the first paragraph. And the second paragraph you have to write detail of the matter. Means to say content. It is the main content of what you are writing the letter. That everything you have to mention in the second paragraph. And in the paragraph number third, mention conclusion and solution. Conclusion means to say whatever you are writing you need to conclude and along with the solution. Next, complimentary closings, like you can write thanking you, yours sincerely, and then the name of the one who has written the letters and all. So this is the format which is very important to know. And this also you have to write this whole things, whatever, right from the first slide till last. You have to mention this also in your copy, in your English fair copy. And after that, here I have just one example also. I have formal resignation letters. A resignation letter is a formal letter which an employee writes to his manager. जो employee जो है अपने manager के लिए लिखता है if he wants to quit his job for any particular reason. जो व्यक्ति अपनी जॉब छोड़ना चाहता है किसी particular reason के लिए. Here is a format to write a resignation letter. This is how the resignation letter has to be written. That you have to write in your clear copy. And this is all about the formal letter. You please keep noticing, keep in the mind that this one is the most important topic, and whatever the slides I have shown you repeating, and that you need to write in your clear copy. While I will send you these photographs also, but still you need to write them in your clear copy fairly. Thank you very much.